Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to 4th Generation Renovation. I'm Mike, and today's video is going to be in the main bedroom again, where this time we're doing finishing up things, getting ready for paint. So we've cut and fitted the skirtings, and we've painted them, getting ready to wood grain them, and yeah, so everything else is just the little bits and pieces, filling little holes and little things. So I hope you enjoy this video. We won't be painting in this video, but probably the next video in this room will be paint, I would say. So I'll be looking forward to that one more than you guys probably. So I hope you enjoy. Just before we get into this video guys, I'd just like to ask if you're enjoying the channel so far, if you would consider subscribing. It doesn't cost anything to do that, but it will help support the channel and encourage me to put out more videos. And there will be a lot of good stuff coming up. So I think, you know, it'd be worthwhile subscribing and seeing where this goes. So please do so, and we'll see you at the end of the video. Okay, so I'll just show you what all these miters are about. So in the corners, rather than doing a miter where they meet in the corner, what you do is you run the skirting with a square edge into the corner. Then you cut a miter with a short point on the face, and then you scribe down that line and you cut it in on a slight angle. So you follow that around, cutting that in. What you end up with is that. Nice, neat. Now, this I cut on the bandsaw and it's not back cut, so I'll do better when I do this lot. But basically, that makes it so that it sits in there. And in the old days, if there was any shrinkage, it wouldn't leave a big gap like you get with a miter. So this is the old traditional way of doing it. You know, so that's why I'm going to do it this way on my house. So hope you understand all that. So we're ticking a few jobs off, guys. We've gone around and we've sealed the gaps around the rows and underneath the cornice all the way around, so that all we need to do now is sand all the flushing and we can paint the ceiling. So another job that we got onto was test fitting the skirting. So as you can see, that looks pretty good. So yeah, the skirting we can take off now and wood grain, and we'll wood grain the whole door frame. And yeah, things are really moving along. So I reckon that maybe next week we'll be looking at getting a floor sander and sanding these floors up, and then we can start looking at painting. brings us to the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. I know it wasn't a lot of progress, but it was some big stuff to get the finishing touches done in this room. I can't wait to see the skirtings all wood grained and in, and I especially can't wait to see the paint going into this room. We're still undecided on the colour, but we'll work that out pretty soon, and we've also got the floor that we'll be getting sanded in the next couple of weeks, so we can look at getting this room finished. So thanks for joining me again. I hope you really enjoyed that, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Just before I go, I want to say a big hello to Steph and Lisa Naylor over in the UK, my wife's cousins. Hello, how you doing? I'll be getting Julie in the videos as soon as I can, so hope you're enjoying the videos.